Hi, my name is Alejandro Villamir.
Hi, my name is Ismael.
Hi, my name is Diego.
And today we'll pitch our prototype for the insecurity project. Firstly, onto the connections, we have as components a servo motor, a temperature sensor, a buzzer, a button, an RGB LED, a normal LED, a motion and gas sensor, and an LCD screen. Now onto the code.
Into the code, in the header, we have include servo, include liquid crystal, to include the RGB and the LCD and the servo. Then we have the variables of servo, PR, PIR, the head equation, the button, and the gas sensor.
Then we configure all the things, someone with input, output, and the button with input pull up for a change mind. And we have the camera point right and the LCDs.
Right. Now onto the loop. We have firstly for the temperature one, an equation that helps us turn voltage into Celsius. Then we have a conditional that says that if the temperature is higher than 40, the red LED will turn high along with the LCD screen saying temperature out of range so that the police is alerted, and then that police uses the camera as the servo as a camera to analyze the perimeter, and then it alerts the police officers with the buzzer and the RGB. How does it alert them? There are three levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. The level 1 has the tone of 5,000, the 2 of 3,000, and the 3 of 1,000, and there's the color green, the yellow, and the red. Else, nothing happens because nothing is needed.
Then in this part is exactly the same, but we're using the gas sensor. In this part, if it's bigger than 200, the gas level is going to change color from level 1, level 2, and level 3. The first one is green, the second one is yellow, and the red one that is dangerous is the red one. And then is the part of else that if don't happen nothing, if it's only fixed.
Yes.
Okay, then in the movement, if movement is high, it alerts to the police with the LED and with the LCD with approved moments of movement. And then the servo functions like a camera and it alerts the authorities with the RGB.
Right. And else, nothing happens. Lastly, if the button is low.
If the button is low, well, it's the case of a person that saw something that is happening, is going to touch the button, is going to put a different LED, well, it's going to be a different color, that blue, as in that, to represent that is a different case.
Right. And else, nothing happens. Again, so we got a button for the citizens. We have a gas sensor that could be maybe for fires, a temperature sensor that could also work that way, a movement sensor, and we have multiple ways to alert the police. Now let's show the code running.
And to say something, this is for the case of a community called, well, that is in Terra Caliente, that place is very dangerous, and we are going to use the gas level to show like if something is going fire, or if someone
or
is
a bomb or
drugs, maybe.
drugs. Yeah. So this is for the insecurity, emphasize on the insecurity. We joined our ideas and this is what we came up with. Let's use the gas sensor as an example. So firstly,
This was perfect.
we have nothing on the screen because the gas is not yet on the level that it says. Then danger gas 218. The camera turns around to analyze the perimeter. Gas level 1. Let's do danger 324. The camera analyzes the perimeter. The red turns on and gas level 3. And the buzzer is also 1. And this will happen until the gas is removed. So since there was gas then, it happens, then there's no gas. The same goes on with the temperature sensor with different temperatures. For example, here in the maximum, temperature of range, then the RGB turns red and the buzzer turns on, heat level 3.
In some words, it's used for everyone.
Yes. And it also happens with the button and the movement sensor. Thank you, and that was our project for programming.
Thanks.
Thank you.